The strain of medical bills after a car accident. Hi, my name is Ramic. I'm a car accident lawyer here in the St. Louis area. And one of the biggest issues that we deal with on behalf of our clients are medical bills after a car accident. They can be, life-changing because those medical bills can go up pretty quickly. A couple days stay at the hospital can be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars range. And it's scary. It is scary, and a lot of my clients ask me, Nadim, well, what are my options? How can I get rid of this? Couple of ways to go about it, and we are going to go to the most simple ones to the more complicated ones. Obviously, if you have health insurance, that should kick in right away. So that health insurance can be, through your employer. That health insurance can be health insurance that you purchased privately. It can be through your spouse or through your parents. And they should kick in and cover those bills. And whatever is, left over, the deductibles, copays, that would be your responsibility. Next one would be your medical payments coverage, which we talked about in a previous video. If you have medical payments coverage under your own car insurance policy, they should kick in. Unfortunately, MedPay coverage is really not that high. I mean, the highest that I've seen it here in Missouri is $25,000, even though you can purchase more. And so if you've got hundreds of thousands of dollars of bills and you don't have any health insurance, it's just a fraction of those. And the next one is, the MedPay of the vehicle. If you were a passenger in a vehicle, that MedPay coverage will kick in and cover those bills. And then the last one is, obviously, if you do have a personal injury case and we get a settlement on your behalf, at the end we would deal with all of those medical bills that are outstanding. Unfortunately, some of the medical providers are not willing to wait that long, and they may, send your bills to a collection agency, and it may affect your credit score. And then the very last one is, I tell people, if you've got the means, go ahead and pay it. You will get the money at the end of the case. Try to set up a payment plan so it doesn't affect your credit history. Medical, providers are pretty flexible when it comes to, their collection practices, and they will be willing to work with you on setting up those payment plans. And then, medical bills that, medical providers sometimes will work on a lien basis with us, which means they will wait until the end of the case to get that paid. But there's never an easy answer when it comes to medical bills, and a lot of people struggle with that, and sometimes it does affect their credit score. Unfortunately, legally speaking, we as attorneys cannot go in and pay that medical bills for you and then wait for the case to settle to get our money back. So hope this answers some of your questions that you may have had about medical bills after a car accident. If you do have any further questions, please call me at 314-352-6800, and we would be more than willing to answer any and all questions that you have. Thank you.